Calvin Campbell has a mini pharmacy at home to deal with sickle cell disease. He has transfusions every 3 or 4 weeks.
Day to day, the most prominent thing in my life is pain. My sickle cell kicked in at 6 months old, and from that day till this day, I've been in pain every day, every second of every day of my life. I go to sleep in pain, I sleep in pain, and I wake up in pain. I sleep approximately 2-3 hours a day and take large amounts of morphine to manage that pain on a day-to-day basis.
But there is hope. In Bristol, the university and NHS Blood and Transplant have developed a revolutionary method of taking donated stem cells to actually grow new blood.
We've literally been working on this for 10 years, and we've now taken blood from donors, grown it in the laboratory, so taken the stem cells from donors, grown it up in the laboratory, and it's now gone into people's arms. And this is something we've been dreaming about for many, many years, but now we're taking that first step into the clinic with lab-grown blood.
They've proved it can work with 2 healthy patients. They need to roll that out and then try it on patients who rely on conventional donations like this. Now, it's important to stress that this is not about the end of blood donation. They need more people to donate because the vast majority of transfusions will still rely on that. This trial is all about ultra-rare blood types. In fact, the more blood we donate, the more stem cells there are for the lab work to produce blood in volume. It's a big day for people like Calvin.
Someone that has regular exchanges like myself, you build up antibodies from your host and from your own. And if you build up too much of the wrong type of antibodies, it means that you can no longer have blood. Because every time you have blood, it has to be a perfect match. And unfortunately, over my life, I have known 2 friends that have died because they were unable to receive blood. So this treatment in the future would be a huge benefit to someone like myself, which would mean that not only would the blood be perfectly matched, and from stem cells taken from a body or a donor, you can grow them into anything. It would mean that the risk of me having a reaction and building up the wrong type of antibodies would be negligible.
Now more than ever, good news seems to be in short supply. But this announcement is a real shot in the arm. Simon Viger, 5 News, Bristol.